super sweet cherry tomato. This is also very, very productive. Putting on all kinds of fruit. And I was out here a little bit ago and I did not see this, but you see that? They're ripening. I can't wait. Well, there's another one in there. Yep. We're gonna have us tomatoes. This is all hydroponic. No power. The tanks are down there. And then gravity fed. The plants get what they need when they need it. And I don't have to water it. This is a true lazy man's garden. You just pick it and watch out for bugs and the funk that gets on the plants. Supposed to get rain for the next 3 days, so I got everything pretty much tied up. Wind's supposed to be like 30 miles an hour tomorrow. This is going to get beat down by the rain, but it'll come back. More tomatoes in here. Not bad. Garden's not even 3 months old yet.